Mouse.
Oh, okay.
Water molecule.
Oh.
Water molecule. I'm here to talk about two things. It's perfect water and eSpring. Okay? eSpring water treatment system. All right? First thing, a water molecule. An oxygen atom with two hydrogen atoms. Because of the weird shape that it has, it's a polar thing. Negative on one side, positive on the other side. Here's the thing. The folks I used to inspect water treatment plants. They do a great job. They get a lot of stuff out of your water. Okay? They don't get everything anymore. Keep that in mind. You've probably heard about the coal ash spill that Duke Power had. Okay? That coal ash was full of heavy metals and some even nastier stuff. Okay? And that was going right into the rivers and streams from which we were getting our drinking water, including Charlotte's. Okay? There's a lot of stuff that goes into those rivers that you don't want to drink. Right? Now, like I said, the water treatment plants get a lot of stuff out. They do a great job, but they don't get everything. What gets everything? Pretty much everything gets out from the eSpring water treatment system. Okay? It's a solid carbon block filter, activated carbon, to absorb all kinds of things like trihalomethanes, pesticides, herbicides, volatile organic compounds, all kinds of nasty stuff that you don't want to drink. Oh, it even gets chlorine out of the water. Now, the water treatment plants have to put chlorine in the water to kill bacteria and viruses and the like that get into the water distribution system. Right? And they have to have a residual of that at your house in order to protect you from waterborne illnesses. Okay? But chlorine is not a good thing for you to ingest. This takes that out. This takes that out before it gets into you. Now, it's pretty simple to install. This end threads onto the end of your faucet at your kitchen sink. Plug this into an outlet, and you're ready to go. That's about it. There's a little assembly required, but not much. This is what a filter looks like that's been in for a year.
Ew.
Okay? Now, the water system that we had this on was a pretty good water system. But you can see, there's a bunch of stuff on there. And that's just what you can see on the outside. It goes from the outside in and then comes out. Oh, inside this, there's even an ultraviolet light to kill any bacteria or any viruses that might have gotten in there somehow. And then it comes to you. I tell you what, one of the best things you can do is hook one of these up to your faucets and pour yourself a glass that's been through the filter and a glass that has not been through the filter. First, taste the one that has been through the filter. Then taste what you've been drinking. You will notice the difference. You will notice the difference. And that alone makes it worthwhile. Perfect water. Here's the thing about most bottled waters. It's tap water. The vast majority of them are tap water. They'll have pictures of beautiful mountains on them, you know. It'll say spring this and pure that and mountain something else. And it's tap water. The same thing you've been drinking at home. Right? Perfect water goes through a 15-step proprietary purification process. 15 steps to get out everything. Then they remineralize it. They put the minerals in that your body needs. Okay? They oxygenate it. Okay? They ionize it. And they microstructure it. Now, what's microstructuring? There's that water molecule, and because of its polar nature, water molecules clump together. You almost never see a single water molecule just kind of bopping along. No, it's a big clump of them that are bouncing around. Okay? There's a cell of your body. It's got a pore. Okay? That's the size of a water molecule right there. But because of this big clump of water molecules, it goes bump, 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 and can't get in. Microstructuring makes the clump a lot smaller so it can squirt through there and hydrate the cells of your body a whole lot faster and with a whole lot less water. And that's why they microstructure perfect water. Okay? So, we all need water. Our bodies are mostly made up of water. If you're going to drink water anyway, why don't you drink the best? Why don't you drink the best? eSpring and perfect water. Thank you very much.